Hello Year 4, welcome back to day 4. To start off today, just going to go through the answers to yesterday's task. So please pause the video now and check your answers for question 1 and question 2. Right, let's go through question 3 all together, okay? So you were told that the letter E has 4 right angles. How many other capital letters have 4 right angles? Okay, so what I have done, okay, is prepared the alphabet, okay, from A to Z. And then what I did was I went through the whole of the alphabet and identified all of the right angles, okay. So we knew straight away, because they told us, that the letter E has 4 right angles, okay. F I found had 3 right angles. The letter G, okay, in this font, I found that it had 1 right angle, okay, but depending on the font that you used, okay, you may have no right angles here. I then found that H and I both had 4 right angles, okay. The other letters that I found with right angles were L and T, okay, but the only other letters that I found that had 4 right angles were H and I. Okay, right, today I'm going to be setting you some reasoning questions for you to complete at home, okay, and then tomorrow I'll be going through them. So you can find a copy of these on the Learning PowerPoint, okay. I've given you 5 reasoning tasks to have a go at, okay, and then check back tomorrow where I'll be going through the answers.
Hi Year 4, welcome back to day 4 of Fluent in 5. Today again 4 questions for you. Now, question A of today's Fluent in 5, we are just going to have a bit of a recap of and then start the timer and have a go at these questions. So question A is asking you to find 2/3 of 18. So we are just going to have a practice go finding 2/3 of a different number. So we're going to find 2/3 of 15 and then you can use this method to work out the answer to A. So I know that my total is 50. And I know that I'm going to have to find an amount of thirds of it, so I need to split my whole into thirds, nice equal thirds.
Very equal.
So I know to find out 1/3, I need to do 15, so 1/3 is equal to 15 divided by 3. So 1/3 is equal to 5. Now, I don't need 1/3, I need 2 of them. So I can say that 2/3 then will equal 10, because if 1/3 equals 5, another third equals 5, so in total 2/3 is equal to 10. So you can use this approach to help you when you try A. So good luck, and pause the video and come back to check your answers. So let's now go through our answers. I'm going to keep my representation up here, but just change my total this time to 18. So I've got my whole as 18. I need to find 2/3 of it.
Oh no, it's fine, we'll carry on. Sorry, the low battery symbol came up.
Oh, exciting times today.
Sorry.
So I know that 1/3 is 18 divided by 3. So that's 6. So 2/3 is going to equal 12. So 2/3 of 18 is 12. B, again, this question, this is one that I would use a written method for. So we've got something, take away 6,573 is equal to 2,749. So I'm going to have to use the inverse to find out what my start number is going to be. So 6,573 add 2,749. So 3 ones add 9 ones is 12 ones, regrouping 10 of those for 110. 7 tens add 4 tens add 1 10 is 12 tens. So I'm regrouping 10 of those for 100 and got 2 tens left. Then I've got 5 hundreds add 700s add 100 is 30 1300s. So regrouping 10 of those for 1000. And I've got 6000, add 2000, add 1000 is 9000. So if I was to then work it out, 9,322 subtract 6,573 is equal to 2,749. C, again, another one we are going to use a written method for. So 543 times 3. So 3 ones times 3 ones is 9 ones. 4 tens times 3 is 12 tens. So regrouping 10 of those for 100. 500 times 3 is 1500s. Add 1 is 1600s. So I'm regrouping 10 of those for 1000. So the product of 543 times 3 is 1629. D, this is a question that you would might like to try mentally. Now, so we've got 50, add 30, add 20. Now, just by looking at that, I know that 30 and 20 added together will equal 50. So I can think about this question as 50, add 50, which would be equal to 100. So make sure you come back and check out tomorrow's video for our final day of Fluent in 5.